What's the meaning of anatomy? Anatomy. 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 Anatomy.
Anatomy refers to the study of the physical structure and organization of living organisms. It includes the examination of both internal and external structures, as well as their relationships to one another. The study of anatomy is crucial in many fields, including medicine, biology, and physiology. The knowledge gained from studying anatomy is used to understand how organisms function, how diseases develop, and how to diagnose and treat illnesses. Overall, anatomy plays a vital role in understanding the complexity of biological systems and how they work together to sustain life.